Today in this video, let's discuss about human heart and defibrillators. Human heart. What is human heart? The human heart is one of the most important organs responsible for sustaining life. It is a muscular organ with 4 chambers. The size of the heart is the size of the clenched fist. The human heart functions throughout a person's life and is one of the most robust and hardest working muscle in the human body. Besides humans, most of the other animals also possess a heart that pumps blood throughout their bodies. Even vertebrates such as grasshoppers possesses a heart like a pumping organ, though they do not function in the same way as the human heart does. Defibrillator theory of operation. Defibrillators are electrotherapeutic high voltage devices which are used within course of resuscitation and to terminate tricardiac, ventricular and supraventricular arrhythmias. Defibrillation is defined as apply brief specific pulse of energy intended to cause stimulus depolarization of all microcardial fibers. After approximately 5 seconds of administering electrical pulse, no ventricular fibrillations or ventricular tachycardia are detected any longer in ECG. Objective is to terminate tachycardia, ventricular and supraventricular arrhythmias so that the following refractory period, which generally lasts 200 to 500 milliseconds, SA node once more resuming primary pacemaker function. Waveform of energy shock. Shape of wave detects how much energy is supplied to patients and over what period this energy is determined. Optimum amount of energy for defibrillator pulse is the amount of energy which causes least myocardial damage. Distinction is made between mono, bi and triphasic pulses. Waveforms of energy shock. Biphasic waveforms are preferably used, more effective on first shock and gentler on heart which is less dysfunction. Differ with varied adaptation of thoracic impedance of patient. Defibrillation success achieved with lower energy and voltage. Device dependent amount of energy is 150 to 200 joule for first defibrillation and 200 to 360 joule for all others, whereas it is always 360 joules with monophasic wave. Biphasic pulse forms allows devices to be further miniaturized, whereas optimum energy flow is monospecific defibrillation is the range of 30 to 40 amperes. With bispecific shock it is range of 15 to 20 amperes. Operating modes: synchronous and asynchronous operation. Synchronous operation, where heart's own pulses are taken in account of QRS triggering. Asynchronous, reserved for strictly emergency defibrillations. Types of defibrillators. There are 3 types of defibrillators: AEDs, ICDs and WTCs. So let's see about AEDs. An AED is an lightweight battery operated portable device that checks the heart rhythm and sends a shock to the heart and restores a normal rhythm. The device is used to help people having cardiac arrest. Sticky pads with sensors, or called electrodes, are attached to the chest of someone who is having cardiac arrest. The electrodes send information about the person heart rhythm to a computer in the AED. The computer analyzes the heart rhythm to find out whether the heart shock is needed. If it is needed, the electron delivers the shock. ICDs. ICDs are placed through a surgery in the chest or stomach area where the devices can check for athenetis. Athenetis can interrupt the flow of blood from the heart to the chest in the body or cause the heart stop. The ICD sends a shock to restore a normal heart rhythm. An ICD can give off a low energy shock or speeds up for a slows down on the abnormal heart rate, or a high energy shock to correct a faster or irregular heartbeat. If low energy shocks do not restore our normal heart rhythm, the device may switch to high energy shock or defibrillation. ICDs are similar to pacemakers, but pacemakers deliver a low energy electrical shock. ICDs have a grater connected to the wires that detect our heartbeats or deliver shock when needed. Some ICDs have wires that rest inside one or two chambers of heart. Others do not have wires going into the heart chambers but instead rest on the heart to monitor its rhythm. The ICD can also record heart electrical activity and heart rhythms. The recordings can help for the healthcare provider fine tune the programming of the device so it works better and correct regular heartbeats. WDCs. WDCs have sensors that attach to the skin. They are connected by wires to a unit that checks our heart rhythm and delivers shock when needed. Like ICDs, the WCDs can deliver low and high energy shocks. The devices has a belt attached to the vest that is worn under your clothes. Our provider fits the device to our size. It is programmed to detect a specific heart rhythm. Technical safety aspects use. Avoid direct contact with electrodes, conductive contact with patients or people with a safe distance. There should be no moisture on the patient's skin and patients should always be positionized to be electrically isolated. Only perform cardioversion if ECG is free from artifacts and if reliable ECG monitoring is possible. When too much electrode contact paste is used on paddles, there is a chance of electrical bridge forming. All other devices are connected to patient must be defibrillated proof, otherwise they must be disconnected from the patient during defibrillation. Caution should be exercised with patient with energized implants. Functioning of implants can be restricted or suspended. Implants itself may be damaged or even become unstable. Defibrillations must only be used in pollution-proof atmosphere. Disconnect devices which are not defibrillated proof from patient. Equipment labeled according to DIN IEC 601 as defibrillator proof, maximum energy 360 joules, trigger buttons only on both paddles, protective circuits ensure reduced power setting when defibrillator is switched off and ensure energy recovery on later than 1 minute after defibrillator charging. Because of their unforeseeable and frequently changing use, defibrillators should always be connected to the mains electricity at their device's base location so they are operated and ready for use.